Okay, here the first question we have palm and fronts, okay, and we want the two words with which they have the same meaning. And fronts is a part of palm, okay, so we want something which is a part of the other. So the word and the phrase is not part of word, it's the opposite, okay, opposite relation, so we can't choose it. The only one which we can choose that the ear is a part of the head, okay, so we will choose this answer. Okay, here we have 3, 5, 9, and 15, okay? And we want the next term. Here we increased 2, here we increased 4, and here we increased 6, okay? Which is meaning that we increase the even number, okay? So here we will increase the next even number, which is 8, okay? So 15 plus 8, it will be 23. So the answer will be 23. Okay, here we have the female's number to the male's number is 0.52, and he wants to compare between the male's number and the female's number, okay, which is meaning that males over females equals 0.52, which is meaning 52 over 100, okay. So the males are 52, okay, in each 100 females, or for each 100 females, okay, which is meaning that the females number are bigger, so we will choose the second value, which is bigger, which the choice it will be the letter B. Okay, here I have learned silence from the talkative and militancy of the intolerant, and kindness from the erratic, and strangest of all is that I don't acknowledge the favor of these teachers, okay. So the mistake here is that I learned militancy from the intolerant, okay. So the wrong word, which is militancy. Okay, here the children gaze is sharp and kind, and so you find them moving away from the new people who raise their suspicious, okay. So the wrong word here, which is kind, okay. Their gaze is sharp, and we can say it's cute, okay, or accurate. So the wrong one is the kind. Here we want to get the shaded part area, okay, which is this part and this part. Okay, here we will get the area of all the triangle, okay, of all the triangle, and then get the area of this part, and then subtract them from each other to get the shaded parts, okay. So the area of the triangle equals the half BH, okay, which is the area of the triangle, which is half times the base here is 18, times the height, which is this one, which is 4, okay. And then we can dividing 4 by 2, which is 2. 2 times 18, okay, equal 36. So the area of the triangle is 36. And then we want to get the area of this part, okay. This part, the angle of it is 90, okay, which is meaning that it's fourth of the circle, okay, because all the circle is 360, so this part is 90, so it's fourth of it. So we will get the area of the circle, and then we will divide it by 4 to get the fourth of it. The area of the circle, which is by r squared, and divided by 4 to get the fourth of it, okay. The r here, which is 4, so it will be by 4 squared over 4, and we can cancel 4 with the squaring, which is meaning 4 by, or 4 times 3.14, okay, 3.14, which is, okay, by multiplication it will be 12.56, okay. And then we will subtract them from each other, which is meaning 36 minus 12.56, which is nearly 23, Okay, so we will choose A. Okay, here he wants to get the value of x, okay, which is here. In this shape, it's triangle, okay, which is meaning that all the triangle is 180, the sum of angles, okay, and this one and this one, they are radius, which is meaning that they are equal to each other, which is meaning that this angle will be the same like here, so this angle will be 50. So to get x, we will say that 180 minus 50 plus 50, which is 100, which is meaning that the angle will be 80. Here he wants the ratio of the shaded part to the wall shape, okay? So the number of the shaded part, which is 1, 2, 3, which is meaning 3, 2. I want to get wall shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is the length, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is the width. It's meaning that all the squares are 5 times 5, which is 25. So it will be 3 to 25, the ratio of it, which is the first answer. Okay, here we have a number. If we square it and add 8 to it, it becomes 6 times the number. So what that number, okay? So we will make equation as if we square it, which is meaning, for example, the number is x, so we square it. It will be x squared, and add 8 to it, okay, which is 8 plus 8 equals, it becomes 6 times of the number, which is meaning 6x, okay? So we can try the answers. We will start with the first one, 2 squared, which is meaning 4 plus 8, okay, it will be equal 6 times 2, right or no? Which is meaning here 4 plus 8, it will be 12, and here 6 times 2, which is 12, so they are equal to each other, so the first answer is right. Okay, here student and orientation, which is meaning that the student needs to orientation, okay? So perfume needs to roses, no. Commander needs to parish, no. Car needs to fuel, yes, it's right, okay? So we will choose C.